Hello children, welcome back to the craft class. Today I am going to show you a very interesting, very creative, very colorful craft work. Yes, you have to guess what I am doing. Shall we start? Before starting, the required items is a scissor and any two color of craft paper like this. Children, you know to do a fan, isn't it? You have to fold this way, see, zigzag folding, just like this. Okay, the thing you have to do is, see, you have to fold this way. See, you have to fold this. To make our work easy, time saving, see, you have to do give a crease over here and start folding from here, okay? See, you have to start folding zigzag, okay? It should be very proper. See, without turning we can fold just like this, okay? Got it? Children, listen here. See, we have folded already, we have cut it open, and next thing is very important. See, you have to gum it here. See, only the half part, okay? Only the half part. You have to gum here. See, and you have to paste only the half, okay? See, only this much. Now, just start folding. See, this way. Start folding. It comes, see, just like this. Okay, got this? Okay, see, you got this much, isn't it? Now, whether you can guess what we are doing? Yes, you are right. Okay, now I will keep this side and take a sheet just like this, and you have to trace a duck. See, you can do this way. Okay, duck, you can see this now. You have to draw a duck and just go on cutting the duck. Okay, a beautiful duck. See, this is a finished cutting a duck. But children, in this I have taken two craft papers only for the thickness. Okay, if you have a sheet, thicker sheet, you can do in that. So I am going to join these two sheets, okay, only for the thickness. See this. See, now here we have got a duck. You can see, na? Okay. You can give a beautiful eyes. You can draw a beautiful eyes with the other color sheet. You can keep here any kind of a craft paper. Now I am going to gum this. Okay, see. See this. Only for the thickness. If you have a cardboard sheet and all, no need of pasting like this. Okay. See. Now I am going to paste it. See. A duck. Now it became little stiff, isn't it? Now it became little stiff. Now the thing is, see, one more piece like this we have to take. Just fold it. Okay. See, give a beautiful crease. Give the crease just like this, and you have to fold it. See, with the crease, you have to do this much like this. Okay. Now, see here there is only half we have, see, pasted only half here, this part, okay. See here, see, here you have to paste now. See, this part you have to paste, and this bird should go inside, it should sit inside, half, see, just like this. You can see, no children? Yes, you got it? Yes, you are right. It is a peacock. We are doing a peacock. But before doing that, see, only this part half we have to gum here. See, only this much half. Okay, only half part, and stick like this. Okay, stick it like this. Now children, with the help of a stapler, see, you have to combine this. See, you have to combine this together, and here you can See, press this. Both the sides you can press, okay, so that it sits proper. Okay, now you can see the dancing peacock. Our national bird is dancing. See how it is. You want to see the dancing? See, dancing peacock. Wow, very nice, isn't it, children? So that you can do some colorful, different colors, dot or tickles, any kind of things you can decorate here. One more I have done. I want to show you. See here, one more peacock. See, a dancing peacock. Just to see, it's dancing. See this? Yes, it is a dancing peacock. And one more I have done. So you can create according to your creativity. You are good in creativity, no? So see here, so you can hold this way. See the dancing peacock, so many peacocks. Wow! You will do this now, children? Yes, you have to do. You have to improve your creativity. Yes. Thank you.